So, you wanted to know what was wrong with his gun. Well, I rasped it out, and there you can see when I pull the trigger, there's the hole. Somebody said put some J B Weld on it. Well, we've got nothing to lose, and I'm down to my last bit of J B Weld. So let's see how that works. So this is the next day. Bang some J B Weld on this air gun. And we're going to test it in a second. Yeah, it seems to be, from what I understood from yesterday. Oh, that's a good start, isn't it? I just pushed the trigger and the trigger was sticking. So I must have got some J B Weld on that. There must be a spring in here. Must be a spring in there that's actually worn through the casing. Now, I could TIG weld it, I suppose, but then I'd have to have this machined out. Is it worth it? I don't know. So, is it going to work? I don't know, I haven't tested it, God's honest truth. We're on £130 if I haven't mentioned it earlier. No leaks. Do we trust it though? Sounds a lot better, doesn't it? Warp factor 1, warp factor 2, warp factor 3, so maybe that's fixed it. Now, I might just smooth a little bit of it off and put the cover back on, because I'm just a bit afraid about that. If it does break, it's going to go shooting across the bloody floor and no doubt catch me in my eye. Let's do that. So I got the handle back on with a bit of a struggle. I warmed it up. It's a bit very difficult to get back on. When once it was on, it was all loose. But once I warmed it up again and I warmed it up with my hand, it came quite nice. And so it's not leaking. Am I going to sell my new gun back? Nah, not for 50 bucks. This is a nice little light one. So, you know, me getting feeble, brittle bones and stuff like that. I'm going to keep that one. I like that one. But this one, it is hard work, but it does work. Oh, I'm pleased about that. And I give it a shot with air tool oil annually, so I do these things regularly, you know. Anyway, let's see how it goes. I'll keep you posted if it leaks again. See ya.